Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings. Following that, choose Connected Devices and from here click on Connection Preferences. Now you need to select Printing. Then you can click on Default Print Service or choose Add Service and download the best one for you. I will go with... Come on! HP one because I have HP printer. So now I have to install it, wait for it to download and go back. Now click on Desired Service and choose this switcher if it's not already on. As you can see, your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!